Good morning, grade 11 entrepreneurship class. Today we'll try to understand about the concept of strategy. In yesterday's class we understood that me and Tanya are competing with each other. Tanya is an entrepreneur and I'm also an entrepreneur. We took the case study like Tanya is the person who is budding entrepreneur, but she's fantastic in a business. Now what kind of strategy, how should be your approach so that you avoid your failure? So that you're a jackal, you're very smart enough to move and go up in the ladder of business. How do you do it? There are certain strategies, right? Right. Strategy. Strategy number one. The first kind of strategy which any entrepreneur should have is called or referred to as a stability strategy. Stability strategy is one where I'm not thinking of making it large. I'm not thinking big. I know I have an ambition to capture the market, but I'm moving a bit slow. I'm trying to understand and experience, and on my own experience I want to learn and understand the market. I know there is a lot of guidance given to me, the incubators are there, my friends, family, associates, everyone is there to guide me, to help me through, but my personal experience matters a lot. So hereby, it's an initial stage in the business where I'm not bringing in something new. The same product, the same service only, and in the same market only I'm dealing. First, say for example, Tanya started her CCD. We'll think that Tanya is running a CCD. She started in Kompally. The first day only, she will not start all over the country. She will start with one branch. She will start with one initial branch in Kompally. Assume that she started in Kompally. So there she is trying to be first day, morning 9 o'clock she started, evening 3 o'clock she started 4 more branches. First, let her understand the experience. Let her understand the practicality of running the business. So first day only she will not. So initially she will move slow. She'll try to interact in the market. She'll try to explore the market. She'll try to gain confidence. This is less risky in the stage. She's not taking a greater risk. Easier and very comfortable. It is pursued very unconsciously. Day to day you will get routine. Aadat ho jayegi business ki. You get routine. You get used to it. There is a defensive play. When you want to, and even in cricket they say, play defense when you want to understand the bowler. Alright? So she is playing defense here, she is only satisfied. She is not extraordinarily happy, or she is not bouncing high, or she is not in cloud 9 with her profits. She is just in the satisfactory stage. Here what I do is, I enhance my functional efficiencies. My ability to handle a business, my ability to handle employees, my ability, my plus, my minus, how much is the stress level. I'm trial and error here. I'm just trying to explore. I just started to drive a bike. On the first day only, I will not go for I started to learn how to drive a car. Say for example, in the first day only, he will not give you full tank of petrol with a Formula 1 car and win the race. It doesn't work like that. It takes years of practice. This is a practice stage. Right? Here I am just trying to hold the steering, trying to get the grip, trying to understand the road rules, left, right, indicators, brake, clutch, everything I am understanding now. This is that stage. I definitely want to win the race. But right now I am learning. So it is only at this stage we refer to it as stability stage. No? No. This is a stability stage. In this stage, no beta. In this stage, don't climb. In this stage, it is less risky. I don't do anything new. This is a stage while I am trying to explore. I am trying to learn. For abhi mein clutch I am touching. Abhi I am learning to do how to work with the brake. No, Advait. Right. Next, after this, once I know how to drive the car, I will now go for a formula race. Now I want to. So immediately I will not go for the race. I'll go to the field, I'll try to take test trials, and here is a stage where I want to expand. So in business also, initially the first day only she will not go and give a competition to Cafe Coffee Day. She will be an unknown person initially. When she is successful, slowly she wants to expand. Now expansion strategy happens. In expansion strategy, first thing that will happen is internal business growth and later on external business growth. Internal business growth, enhancing the labor, enhancing the machinery, enhancing the equipment, bringing in new technology, new machines, all new things are getting added up. I'll explore a new market, I'll bring in additional products in my menu, I will do new things in my business, I will feel crazy about routine se abhi aadat chhut gayi. Routine ho gaya, I know how to run the business, I know how to drive. Now I want to take up the challenge. Now my confidence level has gone up. In stability strategy, I am just trying to play slow defense. Once I am very confident, I'll go and I'll enlarge my line of activity. I'll explore new markets. I'll try to add new products into my new services. Like Hindustan Unilever initially started with the toilet soap. Now they are into water purifiers, into creams, bathing soaps, so many different varieties, shampoos, conditioners, variety. Cosmetic market, the detergent market, the cleansing market, everywhere. So they add product and services. The growth is really very fast. People are trying to buy more of your product because your product is really very good. And I make a larger than, usually when I was in the stability stage, I used to make a profit of around 30,000, 40,000. Now I am making 30 lakhs and 40 lakhs in the growth stage. That means my profit has gone up because I am putting more effort here. It is not that I am not capable of, I was trying to understand the market here. Stability. Now here I understood the market, I got a grip of the customer, I know the customer better, I know the market potentiality, thereby I am exploring more. So larger than average profit margin is expected here. Here I will try to fit in the market. First let me settle down. Fitting is the concept here. Criteria here or the tactic here. In expansion strategy I don't want to fit, I want to stretch. I know I can. See here I'll keep only a small step. I'm learning to walk. When I know, I start running here. I'm stretching, right? New market, new products, new expansion. And the expansion also happens like internal and external. Internal expansion is increase in the production capacity, increase in the financial equipments, capital equipments, increase internally, right? But externally means I'll go into mergers, I'll take over another company, I will buy open up a new branch, I'll take up a franchise. So different expansions happen. Internal and external expansion happens here, and I am no more operating in Kompally. Now I am a national level. I initially started with Kompally, then I opened a few branches in Hyderabad, then slowly I made it to Telangana, state level, Karimnagar, Warangal and all. Then I went to interstate, South India, national, and now I am international level because I am exploring new markets. Understood? So the strategy that usually people use is, first one is stability strategy and the second strategy is expansion strategy. I hope this class has made sense to you people. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Dada Sham.
Dada Sham.